This is the drawing in 1 point perspective, copyright Harold Olahars on 5, 4, 3. Hey everybody, this is Big Al over here at Paler. There's a really neat lesson here that's copyrighted by Harold Olahars. That's Harold Olahars here. And he has it fully copyrighted. Let me slide down to do him the honor he deserves. Okay, here he is. And here are the conditions of use of the copyright. And this is on his web page. And what I want to do here is give you an opportunity to try him out to see how he explains drawing in 1 point perspective. So what I'm going to do is I'll read some of these instructions as we proceed through it. Drawing in 1 point perspective by Harold Olahars. Step-by-step instructions for basic 1 point are presented on this site. The first section presents key concepts in 1 point perspective. So just watch the first part here. You don't have to draw it. We'll draw it in a little while. It says navigate through a lesson by clicking on the previous or next choices below, or by clicking on the area in the picture. You may also use the table below to jump to another lesson. What they're referring to is this table down here. Okay? Alright. Let's do it this way. Click on the vanishing point, the magenta dot. So I'll click this on. Okay? So here's a room with a whole bunch of stuff in it and a whole bunch of lines. We're going to learn what all of this stuff is called beginning right now. The horizontal line. The horizontal line is, the red line is a horizontal line. It represents the viewer's eye level. You can see the top of an object if it is below the eye level, below the horizontal line. If an object is above eye level, above the horizontal line, then you cannot see its top. So we can see the top, so it's obviously below the horizontal line. Click on the horizontal line, and we do. And now we have this scene. Above the horizontal line, the top side of this large file cabinet is not visible. It is above the horizontal line. If the top side of an object is above the horizontal line, above your eye level, you cannot see it, as we can demonstrate there. Click on any part of the file cabinet that is above the horizontal line. Okay, I'll do that. We are above the horizontal line, and I clicked it. Below the horizontal line, the top side of the small file cabinet is below the horizontal line. Therefore, you can see it. If the top side of an object is below the horizontal line, below your eye level, you should be able to see it. And it is. It says click on the top side of the small file cabinet that is below the horizontal line. And we do. Next, the vanishing point. The horizontal line is the place where the ground and the sky seem to meet. It's a red line. See it right there, where the sky and the ground meet? In 1 point perspective, the vanishing point, represented as a magenta dot in this picture, is always on the horizontal line. That's the vanishing point, the magenta dot, it's on the horizontal line. As things get closer to the vanishing point, they get smaller and smaller until they appear to vanish. Thus the vanishing point. Click on the vanishing point, and I will, and here we go. Before we get started on this section, then, let me just summarize where we've been so far. We've turned on to this nice web page, and we're starting to get the concepts down, terms and definitions. On our next video, we're actually going to proceed through the second half of terms and definitions, and then we're going to start drawing it. We'll pause the video, let you draw it out on your boards, and we'll continue step by step. Okay? So once more, this is a very nice web page. It's brought to you by Harold Olahars.